Hello and welcome to another segment of our music lessons. And today we're going to be learning the violin. The violin. Those of you who are interested in playing the violin, today is going to be a wonderful time for you because I know you've been waiting for this opportunity. So you have it today. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can always get the videos anytime they are posted. Now let's begin this violin class. The violin is a string instrument. It's a string instrument. It has 4 strings and it is played with a bow. This is the bow. That is the sound of the violin. But there's something very much important we're going to do, which I'm going to teach you first. Then before we can go ahead to learn the violin. Today I'm going to teach you how you can tune the violin so that you can be able to play it, because as far as this violin is concerned, it's a string instrument. Sometimes it can get loose, and once it gets loose, you cannot be able to flow with other instruments. So the violin must be tuned before it can be used, and that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to teach you how to tune the violin so that we can be able to use it in our lessons. As we do this, we're going to do it with a keyboard. We're going to use the sound of the keyboard to tune the violin. There are so many other ways you can use to tune the violin, but for now we're going to concentrate on using the keyboard because that is the available instrument for now. Now the violin is tuned 5 intervals apart. Interval is a distance, 5 distance apart. The first string in the violin is the string G. So 5 letters from G, you're going to have a D. The next one is D. Like I said, 5 interval from G. You have the G, A, B, C, D. The D is the 5th one. So the first string is G, the second one is D, and then the third one is A. If you count from D to A, you're going to have 5 intervals. You have D, E, F, G, and A. So the third string is string A. The last one is string E. If you count from A to E, you're going to have 5 counts. So you have here E. Don't forget I said the first one is string G, the second one is string D, the third one is string A, and then the last one is string E. Now let's go ahead. This is my keyboard, and this is the sound of G. In the keyboard, this is the sound of G. If you listen to this, the sounds are not the same. That means this our G is distuned, and that is why we are going to tune it now. Listen again. Now let's find this sound. Let's try to look for this sound. Now listen. See? This is actually sounding E in the keyboard. So what we're going to do now, we're going to tune it to G, which is supposed to be. Now what do? You will raise this place a little. As you are tuning it, you have to use your thumb to press down the string so that it will not break or cut. Now let's listen. We are moving. This is F sharp now, and we are looking for G. You see that it's now sounding the same. I hope it's correct. So we have succeeded in tuning the first string, which is the string G. Now let's tune the next one. Here is the sound of the D in the keyboard. And listen to this. You see, the sounds are not the same. Now let's look for the sound that we are hearing here. You see, the sound this violin is producing is the sound of the B flat in the keyboard. So we have to tune to D. You see, we have succeeded in tuning the D. I hope it's sounding the same. The next one is the string A. Let's listen to the sound of the violin in the string A. This is the A that the violin is giving us. Now let's find the A of the keyboard. You see, the sounds are not the same. Let's see what it is. Actually, the sound that this one is giving us is F in the keyboard, and we are looking for A. So let's tune. Now let's hear it. See, it has been tuned. Alright, let's go to the next one. The next one is the last string, which is the string E. This is the sound in the violin. Now let's find the same E in the keyboard. You see, the sounds are not the same. So we have to look for the sound. The E in the violin actually sounds A in the keyboard. So let's tune it to the sound it's supposed to be. Now let's listen to the sound again. See, actually it is sounding now. So we've been able to tune the violin from the first string to the last string. And of course, it is sounding the way it should. Alright, this is all we can do today. Just tune your violin, and then when you are done, I'm sure by then you get another video on the violin class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that when I post the next video, you will get them. Thank you.